They sleeping on me. But I don't waste my time trying to prove that I'm something to see. Ooh, the real ones they know, and the ones that do not, I don't need. Cause most see the vision and I give reasons.
But in today's video, we are going to be tracking my inventory, making sure that everything is adding up. Also, things that I may need to replace or that I need to stock up on. Also, we are going to be cleaning up this hot mess that you guys see right behind me, but that's literally because I just got through packaging and shipping off orders. So we are going to clean up and declutter this hot mess right here, just so that everything is well organized, you can find things, and that our business runs smoothly and proficiently.
Down, straight out the hood now, roll with the hood down, tell them what's good now, we gotta shut down. Straight out the hood now, roll with the hood down, tell them what's good now, we gotta shut down. Let's let it go, let it go, we got flow, so we gotta let them know. Let's let it go, let it go, we got flow, so we gotta let them know. Straight out the hood now, roll with the hood down, tell them what's good now, we gotta shut down. Straight out the Straight out the hood now, roll with the hood down, tell them what's good now, we gotta shut down. Straight out the hood now, roll with the hood down, tell them what's good now, we gotta shut down. Let's let it go, let it go, we got flow, so we gotta let them know. Let's let it go, let it go, we got flow, so we gotta let them know. Straight out the hood now, roll with the hood
Okay, so now that we are finished decluttering and organizing, I'm just gonna show you guys what it looked like. So this up top is my filming or photography rug. This is what I take my pictures on. This is basically the backdrop of my pictures. I got this from Walmart. I'll try to link it down below. I think I only paid like maybe $24 or $25 for it. The thing is really big. It's just folded up. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, these are all of the lashes that I have left. This back here is the jewelry. These are the necklaces and the anklets back here. These are the silver earrings, the baddie earrings in silver and gold. And over here we have our lip glosses and our hairpins over here in the corner. You guys probably can't see that. So this is just about as good as it's gonna get for right now. As my business continues to grow and expand, I will look into better storage, but for right now this works. Over in the second drawer to the right is everything lip gloss related. These are the oils and things that I use. The TKB or the Versagel is down at the bottom. The pigments is back here. Over to my left is everything label related. So yeah, that's what all that stuff is. These are my business notebooks. These are my business notebook. This contains literally everything that I have ever written down about my business. I have a total of 4 notebooks. There's only 3 in here now, but I have to go add the other one in here. But these are my notebooks. This is everything pertaining to packaging. So the second drawer was labeling, and this is packaging. And here I have the baggies that the lashes and jewelry come in. I have my holographic bags. I really want to show you guys these bags because I really think these things are super cute. I think these bags are super gorgeous. And I also have the bigger one of these. So jewelry and stuff like that go in here, like the hairpins and stuff go in here. This is also poly mailers. These are poly mailers. These are the bigger poly mailers that I have. And then these are the smaller poly mailers that I have. Everything came from Amazon. And down here I have my thank you cards, and over here you can't really see it but over here is my business card. So thank you cards, business cards are over there. So yeah, that pretty much concludes us decluttering. Okay guys, so now that we are through decluttering the hot mess, we are now going to, I'm now going to start tracking my inventory, just to make sure that everything is according to the website. I'm just going to use my phone. As you guys can see, my phone tells me what I have in stock or what I should have in stock. My phone also tells me what's out of stock, and my website is through Wix. So I just downloaded the Wix app and plugged in my information. So let's just go ahead and get started. So right now we say that I should have 5 frosted pink. So let's just sit that there. And I'm so sorry for the camera going in and out, but it say that I should have 5 frosted pink. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It say that I should have 5 orange sickle lip glosses. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And of course, when I go to ship these out, I do put my logo on them. I have the transparent sticker labels to put on here. But anyway, whimsical, and say I should have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But yeah, I do put my logo on all of this stuff because I want my brand name attached to literally everything that I sell. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because not only do I sell online, I also do deliver to the local Detroit, Michigan area. So sometimes it's easy to forget to, you know, change the number on the website. So that's why I'm doing this, you guys. But if you do run strictly just an online business, then this really is not necessary. So it now says that I should have what is this? 9 baddie hoops in the color gold. These earrings are super, super, super gorgeous. Super gorgeous. The camera is not doing this no justice. But anyway. Then they say I should have 10 of these. I really have to find a better way to organize these. I probably get those clear acrylic drawers. I'll probably just go ahead and get those or whatever. But in the meantime, this will work. Now, lastly, we just have to check our lashes. Oh, why am I closing the drawer? So, and lashes, clearly, as you guys can see, Sassy is out of stock. And kind of did like a small inventory check as I was as I was decluttering these. So I did check the lashes, so I'm not even going to go ahead and do that, because I did check to make sure that was there. But everything is there, you guys. Right now, this is really how I just decluttered everything. So I have to find better organization for the jewelry back there. But anyway, so far, this is how everything is looking. So that's gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys as always for watching, supporting my channel. Comment down below on what entrepreneur videos you want me to do, because I really want to keep this series going. I really have so much fun filming it. I think this is the first time that I have not, you know, like, been so nervous with filming, like, because these type of videos have actually came so fluent to me. So comment down below on what videos it is that you want to see. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check out my business. Let me know what you guys want to see added to the site. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But thank you guys so much for watching.
Everything I do it with a passion. If I gotta be a bitch, I'ma be a bad one. Yeah, I'm AI with the design.